Yo, such a good idea to go camping today.
I know, man. It's definitely such a good idea.
I don't know, it's like, I felt like going camping.
It's such a nice day outside. It's just
Yeah, I know.
I feel horny.
You know, kind of walk.
He's like, hey, look at an abandoned house. Oh, you should go check it out, eh?
Yo, we should.
I say we camp out in there.
Yo, okay, I'm gonna go scan it up first, okay?
Okay, someone go with you.
No, don't worry. I'm gonna go scan it up first, and then you can come in after. I'm gonna tell you.
Yeah, because that's the safe thing to do. Come on, Keenan. That's not funny. Keenan, come on. We have to set up base. It's getting dark. Keenan!
Buddy.
Get out of here! Get out!
What?
Get out of here!
Okay, I said we go.
I'm
Get
not
up.
leaving you!
Get out of here!
I'm leaving. What the fuck?
Get out of here! Don't leave.
Are you okay? Keenan! Where are you going, Carlos?
I'm out. Eat.
Oh my god, he's dead!
Shit, Ken. Come on.
Take a turn around.
Fuck.
Was that open the whole time? So was that door open the whole time?
Is that door open the whole time?
Was that door open the whole time? Was that door open the whole time?
Fuck. I don't remember this door being open. Shit.
Okay, you see him.
God, you're such an idiot.
Keith, you okay?
Bye. Find anything?
No, just a bunch of crap. Wait, there's a door here. Here's this, jam though. Can't get it to open. Yo, come on, heard something.